test out world's most famous makeup remover, that is from Bioderma, Sensibio H2O. So now we are going to apply 10 layers of foundation. Let's check whether Sensibio does what it promises. So now I'm going to take this cotton pad and the Sensibio H2O from Bioderma, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of Sensibio on this cotton pad. So now I'll place the cotton pad on my skin where I've used 10 layers of foundation, and I'm going to hold it for 2 seconds and then I'm going to swipe. Oh my god, I am impressed with this one, guys. The best part is, guys, that it is world's first original micellar water, and moreover it is used by celebrities all over the world. One bottle of Sensibio is sold every second in the world. Guys, it is a perfect cleanser and a makeup remover for sensitive skin, and it removes 99% of makeup and pollutants in one swipe. And not only this, the price of this amazing product has dropped, and now 100 ml is for 349 rupees and 250 ml is for 599 rupees. Love the new affordable price of these two products.